Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video I'm going to discuss about the trade which I have done and based on advanced options trading strategy, so that we have booked some good profit on positional basis. So I'm doing a positional trade based on the advanced option strategy. So that strategy doesn't require any charts and any indicator. So we normally use the price as an indicator. We are doing the trade. This trade which I done by yesterday, and I don't have a time to place the videos, and I'm recording this video by today, and I have two trades we have booked based on the positional option strategy. So these are the two stocks. One is IDFC. So IDFC based on our positional that advanced option strategy. Those who learned my strategy, you know very well. So here the stock which is generating the trade opportunity by yesterday, the stock was started by around 55 rupees. The close price on 55 rupees where it is started. Just a second. Where it is started by 55. So I have doing a strike price of 55 call and put. So which I've taken a 55 call option, right? So when you see the charts, it looks great. If you're comparing those, it may be a 3 bar reversal, right? So after that, maybe it not maybe exact 3 bar reversal, it looks like a 3 bar reversal. So here this may be a engulfing pattern, bullish engulfing pattern. So if you are using the charts, we may finding out, but we are not using any charts. After we read it, so after we see there is some indications in charting the chart pattern, and there is a movement, it is happening. So 55 call option, I thought we bought around 4 rupees, the large size of 10,000 rupees. The lot size for the stock is 10,000, where we bought around 4, and this high when it made around nearby 60 rupees, the option went to near about 6.4. So we bought around 4 rupees, it went up to more than 50%. So it's good enough return, we can book on early. So sometimes we booked around 16,000 and 19,000 on this particular trade. It's based on advanced strategy. And look at this was a chart based, not we are doing a chart based, but if you are seeing the chart, there is a trend on it, right? So today overall, and also we have taken some few position yesterday and today, but due to the market today, first initial first half it was a negative, and the second half it recovered, and most of the positions we are in call positions, so we may be waiting for another 1 or 2 days. Because it is a positional trade, we are not focusing it for intraday. Even after buy, if it is goes down also, we don't worry, because we know where I can exit the stop loss, right? And target also we know by based on the strategy. And this was the one stock we got a good profit on that. The second one which we have taken is Punjab National Bank. So it's not taken by me, one of my student who taken it out. So inside out bar, this day is an inside out bar, a day, the day where we have taken a position around 32 call option, right? The low is 31.3, we took a 32 call option, then it went up to 34.6. The option is almost giving you 40-50% return on in a 2 days basis. But I show you that how we booked some good profit on these two stocks, and some other stocks we are holding it out. But that was a positional trade, we are not using for an intraday opportunity. It's a purely a positional trade, so based on the advanced option strategy. So what are the stocks which we have taken that we took? There is a trades which we have taken as IDFC. As per the advanced option strategy, those who are not watching this advanced not focusing it out, just look at this. And on August contract we have taken a 55 call option. The entry price we took around 4.3, and we exited around 5.9, so almost 16k profit on that particular option. It's a positional, not for an intraday, so we booked on that particular trade on the same IDFC. And another client who attended my classes, he was taken the same of IDFC, and he was took somewhere around PNB. So these are the two trades. How we took the position is based on advanced option strategy. And the one we book, he booked around 55 call. So the strategy we select a 55 call option, and he was took the position by 4.1. The lot size of 10,000 rupees, and he booked a 19k profit. That was almost 1 point, another 1.9 rupees. He was nearing exiting around 6 rupees. He booked a profit and he exited out. And same like that, the Punjab National Bank PNB 32 call option, we taken around 2.1 and booked a profit of 14.400. The lot size of this stock is around 16,000 rupees. Even the high lot size, we are taking high risky and high reward concept. This strategy is entirely high risky, high reward concept that was giving you such a great positions. And we took some position today, and we are holding it right now. So these are the trade which you have taken a booked up profits by based on the advanced option strategy. If anyone who want to learn the strategy, it is a one-to-one class. So almost 4 sessions you can contact with. We will conduct the 4 sessions, each session having 1 hour to 1.5 hours. So if you are really interested, you can also join with my course. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share if you liked it, and comment if you have any questions on your comment box. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you.